Hello, this is QB Models and thank you for joining me. This is one of my buying Lego second-hand videos but with a twist. In this video I'll be talking about a donation I received from a Bricklink store. I'll talk about the packaging, the condition of the Lego set and what you get. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. So first off, this is a little bit of an unusual video because I have not purchased these Lego sets. So I received this box in the post a couple of days ago. It's a donation from a Bricklink store, RD Bricks, and this gentleman who runs it, Rick, he reached out to me. I had done a review of the Lego Team Model Blue Fury, set number 5541. He has seen it and said, I really like these style videos. If I should send you through some Lego sets, would you do some more reviews? He sent me two sets, the 8032 Multifunctional Starter Set, released in 1994, 215 pieces. And he also sent through the 8832 Roadster, or also known as a dirt track buggy, released in 1988 with about 86 pieces. Both these sets you could really consider to be starter Technic sets in my opinion. Okay, so let's get on with this unboxing. Clearly you can see I have opened the top off and I have removed any postage labels from it. So the first things first is obviously the box itself. So the box is a typical cardboard box, nice and sturdy, no problems with that whatsoever. Opening it up now, we've got some of these air pockets here. Very useful. I will reuse these, and straight away we've got two boxes in there. You can see he has put some more air pockets down here as well to stop this one from moving about a bit, so thank you very much to Rick for that. And we're moving out of here. There we go, we've got two boxes there. Put this box to one side. So what we've got here, so first of all we've got Rick's card there, excellent, Bricklink store card there, and here are the two sets, all nicely bubble wrapped as you would expect. So he did describe these as sealed in box, so let's see what we've got here. I'm going to be very careful when I open up. As always, I do try to open nice and carefully, one, to minimise the damage to the box, and also to minimise damage to the packaging, because I like to, where I can, reuse the packaging. There we go, it's been wrapped a few times. And there we have it. 8832. Look at that. Sealed in the box, as he said it would be. Excellent. Now he said to me that this box was not in the best condition, which he has described it absolutely perfectly. I think sometimes these smaller sets like this, it's actually quite rare to get them sealed in the box. So very, very pleased with that. Excellent. And then open up the other Lego set as well. There we go. Again, nicely packaged. Plenty of bubble wrap. And there we have this set. Now, I don't know something, this is the first time I've ever seen this set. Clearly I've seen it on the internet, but I've never held one of these sets before. The 8032. Again, definitely a starter set. I think I said before this set was from the 1990s, 1994 this set was. Quite nice, and I would consider both these sets to be the starter sets for a young Lego enthusiast. If I was to receive this set, actually, I'd be very happy with the quality of that. That is a really good quality set. Brilliant. Again, sealed there in box. Very, very pleased indeed. So I think before I do any unboxing, let's have a quick look at the box art itself. So on this first one here, Nice simple picture of the model. Looks like it's got steering there. I think also, yes, it's also got the suspension at the back as well, which for a model of this size, it's quite nice. It's got suspension. Looks like also you can build a Model B, which is some form of a trike, which again has got steering, quite nice, and also has got some form of sprung bumper there. I'm looking at this here and I'm guessing that the steering wheel is adjustable as well. The height of it is adjustable, so that's quite a nice little feature, isn't it? But very nice, simple box art. When I come on to look at the second box as well, you can see some similarities. So the same colour blue with the black edging, and also the dimensions done in a kind of a Technic stylized font. Very nice, very simple. This model here, on the front cover, it's got the 3 main models that you can build. So clearly this is more of a universal set, so they call it a starter pack, so it encourages you to actually use your imagination and do some other builds as well. But we've got the 3 main models there. Looking at the back also, you can see 1 or 2 other builds as well that they're recommending, got instructions for. Those builds, I must admit, not very inspiring. I think the helicopter, which looks like it's got a rotor that moves, which is quite a lot of fun. That looks like it's got steering there, hand of God steering, I guess, and that also looks like it's got steering. So yeah, quite looking forward to that, building this little set here. Very nice, very simple. Without further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. So taking the first set, the 8832, it has a perforated thumb placement here. You see that a lot of uncommon sets today. We're just going to just gently break it, and let's just flip it out nice and gently there. There we go. Okay. So what do we have here? Look at that. And that's interesting. There's one Lego piece that was outside of these sealed wrappers. I can't see any holes at all in there. So a little bit, not sure why that is. But there you go. But sealed, perforated bags. Yeah, very nice indeed. So what else have we got here? Well, first off, obviously, we've got the instruction piece, and we had an axle that popped out of here as well. So I'm not quite sure what was happening there. Maybe a bit of quality control issues, I don't know. But either way, so we've got the instruction manual there, and there's the 2 models that you can build. Very nice, very simple, high gloss finish, stapled, very nice. And this is what I love sometimes, when you open up these sets and there's little additional pamphlet inside, showing what models you could buy, and I do have the majority of these models. So please subscribe to my channel, because I will be doing a lot more unboxings and builds and reviews. So that's the first set. Let's just move that over there. So here we have the second set, the 8032, and this set here has got these little tabs on here. With some of these sets, the age of them, they will start to peel off over time. So this one here, as you can tell, has peeled off very slightly. So let's just open it up nice and carefully. I wasn't expecting that. it's got another inner box inside. There we go. So what's in this inner box? Got 1, 2, 3 packets there. We've got 2 beams. For some reason are not inside the bag, and 1, 2, 3, 4 black rubber tires. All the bags are fully sealed. They're the perforated type bags as well. Yep, and I'm just double checking there are no holes there at all, so again maybe quality control issues, I don't know, but needed 2 more of those in there. We've also got the, there we go, so we've got the instruction manual as you'd expect. Quite a thick instruction manual, 68 pages there, but then it does have 6 little models there, and at the back there you can see the Jeep model being powered up by the motor and battery pack. So that's the additional set that was talked about on the back of the box, the motor 8720 edition. We've also got another brochure. Also, I should say actually the instruction manual isn't stapled, it's glued at the edge there, so edge glue there. Very nice, good quality, high standard, high gloss finish. Yeah, very nice indeed. And we have another little pamphlet showing all the other Technic sets. So looking at this one here, it starts off with the smaller, more easier sets to build, and then it gets progressively more difficult. That's the set here that we've got, the 8032 down there in the corner. Let's see what else I've got here, just very quickly. They've got that little kind of monster truck there. I have that somewhere, I believe, the 8858. I've got that racing car, and of course every collector should have this, the absolutely magnificent 8880 car set. Absolutely brilliant set. I don't have that crane, I do have that helicopter. And here now we've got these sets that's got the fibre optics. So I've got this set which I'll do a review on at some point. I'm quite looking forward to this actually, because it's got a dragster, and I do like dragsters. Then look at that, we've got the magnificent space shuttle. This has got to be one of the ultimate Technic sets, the 8480 set. Absolutely magnificent. And then at the back we've got this set here. I can't remember what this set's actually called, but you can build 3 or 4 models, and it's got a little control center there, so you can control the model. So in the helicopter you can control the pitch of the model. Quite brilliant. Looking forward to building those. So all in all, very pleased indeed. I'm looking forward to doing these reviews. I hope you enjoyed the video. A little bit unusual. There will be follow-up videos on both these models, so I'll do the speed build and a review of each of these models. Again, just a quick shout out to RD Bricks for providing these sets. Go on to Bricklink, support these stores because they do a great job. If you like the video, then please give it a like. It really supports my channel, and please give me feedback. What's your experience of buying Lego off the internet? Really want to hear from you. So thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon.